I'm just saying.
My name is Stephanie. I work at the Comfort Inn and Displays. I am the AGM, and this is our lovely bed in the background.
Hi, my name is Joshua. I work for the Comfort Inn O'Hare and Displays also. I'm in the accounting department, intern, so yeah, that's that.
Yeah. And today we are playing Choice Hotel Trivia for a very special prize.
Josh, what do you think of this?
I hope I win some money.
It's not that special.
Question number 1. Who is the CEO of Choice Hotels? Is it A, Bob Barker, B, Pat Pacious, C, Sean O'Malley, or D, Maureen Sullivan?
Who? Say.
You say A, Bob Barker. You say B, Pat Pacious.
I don't know who the CEO is.
Bob Barker.
You know
That's
Bob
the guy
Barker
who
is?
wants you to spay and neuter your pets.
Oh.
You ever watch The Price is Right?
Oh, is that him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, now I know.
Have you ever been sick from school?
I'm Asian, so I can't miss school, so. I'm just saying.
Next question. How many brands does Choice Hotels own? Is it A, 13, B, 12, C, 9, or D, 18?
Oh.
C.
You say C, and that was 9. Is that
I said C2.
C, 9? You're both wrong. It's 12.
I knew it. I should have gone with my instinct.
What state was Choice Hotels originally established? Was it A, North Carolina, B, California, C, Alabama, or D, Florida? Right.
I have D.
D, Florida. What do you say, Josh?
D, Florida.
D, Florida. You are both correct. Florida
Yes.
man. Okay. Choice Hotels has a rich history of innovation in the hotel industry. Which of the following did Choice Hotels not innovate? Is it A, a 24-hour desk service, B, offer non-smoking rooms in every hotel, C, be the first to offer a shuttle service, or D, develop the first hotel app for the iPhone?
Thanks for your yes.
Alright, ready? Josh will have an answer first.
C.
So you say C, be the first to offer shuttle service, and Stephanie, what do you say?
C.
C. You're both correct.
Yes. Okay.
Alright.
Yay.
Still losing. You know?
Yeah.
But we offer shuttle service
We do.
to the airport.
This is in regards to the Choice Privileges program. There are several your extras in the Choice Privilege Rewards program when you opt into that program, of course. Which of these is not a reward option? Is it A, 400 Choice Privilege points, B, a $2.50 Amazon.com credit, C, a $5 coffee card, or D, an all-inclusive trip to Lugooty, Indiana?
Why Lagodi?
What?
What?
Yeah, it's a real place. Look it up.
I don't even know if I know how to spell that. It sounds like a pasta dish. No offense to people from Lou Malnati's,
Lagodi.
whatever.
Wherever that is.
I'm just gonna go with D.
D. Okay.
Oh, D also. Common sense, maybe, I guess. I don't
How
know.
do you guys know that? Do you know the program really well?
Yeah,
I know the
absolutely.
program better than I know Lou T.
Lagodi.
How many points do you receive when you sign up for the Choice Privileges Visa card?
Oh, I know this one.
Is it A, 9,000, B, 24,000, C, 32,000, or D, 125,000?
I don't know.
He didn't even look at his paper,
Yeah.
folks. He didn't even look at his
I think
paper.
this is where you were gonna math. I think he's gonna beat me on this question.
I think I'm a little confident, but oh well. Let's see.
Okay, go ahead, Josh. What's your answer?
B.
You say B, 24,000. Stephanie, what do you say?
I hope you're right because I put that too.
Oh.
B, because you copied. You
I
guys
wasn't
are both
looking at
wrong.
him.
What?
Yeah, it's 32,000.
32,000.
Yeah. Okay. Write down or name the Choice Privileges membership levels.
Oh, okay. Wait. Done.
Okay. All right.
Who's going first?
Josh, let me go
Me?
first. Yep.
So there's four. There's platinum, silver, gold, and diamond. Got that.
Okay. Stephanie?
I have basic membership, gold membership, platinum, and diamond.
Ooh, man. Stephanie's great.
What?
Yep,
Basic?
so level 1 is members,
Basic.
2 is gold, 3 is platinum, and 4 is diamond.
I thought basic was silver. Oh, wow.
You're thinking platinum.
Because I'm not basic.
I know,
Alright.
you're not basic.
So with that, where is the corporate headquarters located for Choice Hotels? Is it A, Bethesda, Maryland, B, Rockville, Maryland, C, Savannah, Georgia, or D, Baltimore, Maryland?
That was in Arizona.
I think that's where their call center is.
Oh.
So it's got to be in Maryland, right?
Seems like. Put D because I don't know.
Okay, D, you
Oh.
don't know.
I don't know.
D, Baltimore, Maryland.
Okay, you guys are both wrong. It's Rockville, Maryland. They just moved there. Now, this is true or false.
Okay.
Can you donate points earned in the Choice Hotel Privileges program to the charities similar to the Red Cross? True or false?
They're cheap.
True. And
False.
False.
Yeah.
Stephanie is right because they do.
Oh.
False. Can you use your points towards a cruise vacation? Big old boat.
Oh, sorry. Too excited. Alright, go Steph.
Maybe?
True.
True.
True. Yeah, you guys are right. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Stephanie won.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, now you get a special prize.
Woo!
What is it? Ooh.
I can eat Happy Little Pez.
But who
Bob
is it?
Ross.
It's Bob Ross.
Yeah.
The painter guy.
What does he do?
He paints.
Where? Like
In
buildings?
his studio. No, he paints paintings. He paints happy little trees and forests and says, I made a mistake, but it's okay because in life mistakes happen.
Well,
Let's
you know.
make it into a happy little tree. Here you go. Now is your time to look forward with anticipation. You have so many wonderful possibilities waiting for you. Yeah, like getting back to work.
I'm also gonna need you to go ahead and come in on Sunday, too.